Anak, ang ganda na ng Christmas tree natin. Nakakatuwa. Halos tapos na pala kayo mag-ayos. Excited na rin akong umuwi. Ilang oras na lang. Kapag natapos na yung shift ko, diretso na ako dyan. Kailangan lang muna magbantay ni Mama dito. Pero huwag kang mag-alala. Kasama niyo na ako mamaya para sa Noche Buena. O anak siya, mamaya na lang ha. Oo, may kailangan lang si Mamang gawin. Mag-ingat kayo ha. Bye-bye. Love you.
All for one and one for all. Kaya natin to para sa mga pasyente na what team? ER! Anong team? ER!
How do we get from coming clear to this critical scene?
We got money expect that this ship so sweet.
Kaya natin to, magtulungan tayo.
Well, it's rocks instead of PJs.
And chart na walang tigil.
Sana'y may responde. We've got to work this out to save some lives in Christmas time. If we work, there'll be no doubt we can save all our patients if we work this out.
Paskong Pasko, andito tayo.
Sinumpaan natin tong trabaho eh.
Mas gusto ko nang harapin ang sangfulong code.
That sure beats hanging here and falling far behind.
I needed coffee, but this ain't worth the stress.
Maybe there's a better way. Fix this Christmas mess. We're a champion team, some well-trained machine, and with face tougher cases than this. I know this is hard, but I'm sure we can find a way to have fun while we get this job done. You got to work this out, to make things right. In Christmas time, you got to work, there'll be no doubt. If we all come together, we can work this out.
Okay guys, let's do this!
Tell me what you want, tell me what to eat here. A little bit of time, at saka ng medicine. It's the perfect remedy.
Wait, we're on the way.
Wait, 2, 3 to D.
Native that trauma cases.
Basta sa ilang beses.
It calms the chaos faces.
Help Kansas pressure rises.
Pahinga after ng shift.
Let's sleep for a while. We'll go home to my favorite girl. We've got it made. Oh, we've got to work this out. We'll sing some nights this Christmas time. If we work, there'll be no doubt we can still save this Christmas. If we work this out, work this, gotta work this, we can work this out.
Hello? Angel, anak, hindi ako makakauwi ngayon. Maraming pasyente sa ospital eh. Kailangan ko magbantay. Sorry anak. Pangako, bukas, pagising mo, nandiyan na si Mama. Bawi ako sa inyo ha. Merry Christmas anak. I love you.
Okay lang yan. Ang hirap talaga ng trabaho natin. Dating gawin.
Joy to the world. the Lord is come.